Rebo bulendi baime Kipchumba MURKOMEN igo aenekire OKORUSIGWA KW'ABANYANYIMBO bo bulendi korwa ase okorwa bokoreri ochiase omugavana George NATEMBEYA okwana nigo aenekibuna abanyanyimbo abo nigo bakageire kubwatirana n'ababebu nekero baratokikane n'amamocho mbaimukirigwe egetambukero chingaki ekyo boigo nigaruge kure getindi gochia ase bali baroberetie korenta Chiburaburu chingaki chobo lyoboke bogokorekana ase boigo abagani abaki chikura kogendanga maega yogwaka chikura.
The fact that you have been attached to a certain VIP does not make you part and parcel of his campaign, part and parcel of his ideologies, part and parcel of his criminal plans. You need to know that at any one time you remain an officer of the National Police Service. So if there are any people who have been withdrawn, it must be in relation to the planned violence and the recent violent confrontations, and the fact that some of these police officers have been found in the middle of goons, facilitating goons, transporting, hiring. And it's not enough that they have been withdrawn. The disciplinary action will be taken against them. And if the charges are proven, they will lose their jobs. They will be relieved of their responsibilities within the National Police Service. So it's not enough even to complain that they have been withdrawn. It may also be that those police officers may never go back to their jobs if it is found that they were facilitating violence in any part of our country. We have a proper provision of police officers in every polling station and all the tallying centers to make sure that Kenyans go about their business safe. I want to also address these people who are going to Kisumu, to Nairobi, and to other counties to hire and recruit goons to come and disrupt elections here and other places, whether it is Siaya, Malava, and Mbere, or Kariobangi in Nairobi, or in Magarini. I want to tell them that don't try that. We are going to take very stern action against the financiers, the transporters, anybody who owns a probox or a motor vehicle or a matatu, or which is going to be hired to ferry goons. Apart from arresting the goons and arresting the planners and financiers, we will also arrest the transporters.